Ready to escape the 9-to-5 grind in just a decade? Listen up, because I am about to drop a bombshell. Retiring in 10 years isn't just possible, it's within your reach, even if you're starting from zero today. I know what you're thinking, 10 years? That's impossible. But here's the truth. With the right strategy and unwavering discipline, you can achieve financial freedom faster than you ever imagined. This isn't about luck or winning the lottery. It's about making smart, aggressive moves and staying laser-focused on your goals. Let's break down this practical, no-fluff plan to retire in just 10 years. We're talking real strategies that work, not pie-in-the-sky dreams. So buckle up, because we're about to accelerate your path to financial independence. Step 1. Redefine what retirement means. First things first, we need to shatter your outdated concept of retirement. Forget the image of endless golf games and daytime TV. That's not what we're after here. Retirement isn't about never working again. It's about having the freedom to work on your terms. It's waking up every day and choosing what you do, not being forced into a cubicle to pay the bills. Financial independence, that's our real goal. Think about it. What would your life look like if money wasn't a constant worry? If you could pursue your passions without the pressure of a paycheck? That's the retirement we're aiming for, and it's achievable in just a decade if you're willing to put in the work. Step 2. Increase your income fast now. Let's get real. You can't save your way to wealth on a mediocre salary. It's time to supercharge your earnings, and I mean right now. Look, cutting back on lattes is great, but it won't get you retired in 10 years. You need to focus on dramatically increasing your income. This is your wealth building engine, and it needs to be running at full throttle. How do you do it? Learn high-income skills that are in demand. Start a side hustle that has serious growth potential. Or make a bold move and pivot to a higher-paying field. The path you choose doesn't matter as much as the end result. More money coming in, period. Remember, every extra dollar you earn is a dollar that can be invested and multiplied. So get creative, get hungry, and get that income climbing. Your future self will thank you. Step 3. Live like you're already retired. Here's where the rubber meets the road. It's time to make some radical changes to your lifestyle. I'm talking about living so far below your means that your friends think you've lost it. But here's the secret. You're not depriving yourself. You're buying your freedom one saved dollar at a time. Set an audacious goal. Save 50% to 70% of your income. Yes, you read that right. It sounds extreme because it is. But extreme results require extreme actions. Cut out everything that doesn't bring real value to your life. Downsize your living space. Ditch the car payments. Cook at home. Find free ways to have fun. Every dollar you don't spend is a dollar that's working towards your freedom. This isn't about being miserable for a decade. It's about redefining what truly makes you happy and aligning your spending with those priorities. Trust me, the feeling of watching your net worth skyrocket will be far more satisfying than any impulse purchase. Step 4. Invest aggressively, and consistently saving alone won't get you there. You need to put your money to work. And I mean serious work. We're talking about investing like your future depends on it, because it does. Index funds, rental properties, dividend stocks, pick your weapons and wield them with precision. The key is to be aggressive but smart, diversify to manage risk, but don't play it so safe that your money barely grows. Harness the incredible power of compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more snow as it goes. Start with what you have, even if it's just a few $100, and keep adding to it relentlessly. Consistency is crucial here. Set up automatic investments so you're building wealth without even thinking about it. Treat investing like a non-negotiable part of your budget, right up there with rent and food. Remember, time is your greatest ally in investing. By starting now and staying committed for a decade, you're giving your money the runway it needs to multiply into a fortune. Step 5. Track, adjust, and stay obsessed. This is where the rubber really meets the road. Retiring in 10 years isn't a set it and forget it plan. It requires constant vigilance and a borderline obsession with your finances. Track your net worth religiously. I'm talking monthly check-ins where you celebrate every uptick and scrutinize every setback. Use apps, spreadsheets, whatever works, just keep your eyes on those numbers. Be ready to pivot and adjust. The market changes, opportunities arise, setbacks happen. Your plan needs to be flexible enough to adapt, but your end goal remains fixed. Stay laser-focused for the entire decade. This isn't a sprint. It's a marathon with a life-changing prize at the finish line. When friends are splurging on new cars or lavish vacations, remember your goal. You're not missing out, you're investing in a future they can't even imagine. Cultivate an obsession with financial independence. Read books, listen to podcasts, surround yourself with like-minded people who support your goals. Let this mission seep into every aspect of your life. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. This plan is intense. It requires sacrifice, discipline, and a complete rewiring of how you think about money and success. But here's the thing, it works. I've seen people transform their financial lives using these exact strategies. 10 years might sound like a long time right now, but think about where you were a decade ago. Time flies, and it's going to pass whether you take action or not. Why not use that time to build a life of true financial freedom? Imagine waking up 10 years from now, knowing you never have to work another day in your life unless you choose to. Imagine the peace of mind, the opportunities, the ability to help others and pursue your passions without financial constraints. That future is possible, it's within your reach. But it starts with a decision, your decision to take control of your financial destiny starting today. If you're serious about building wealth and retiring early, hit that like button and subscribe to Thrives and Finance. And drop a comment. What would your life look like if you retired in 10 years? Let's build this future together. Remember, financial freedom isn't just for the lucky few. It's for those who are willing to work smart, stay focused, and never lose sight of their goals. Are you ready to join the ranks of the financially free? Your 10-year countdown starts now. Let's make every moment count.